Everybody wants to make money online, but 90% of the side hustles out there, total scams. Copy paste this, download that, pay $4.99 for a secret method that doesn't even work. Yeah, nah, we're not doing that here. Today, I'm breaking down 10 side hustles that actually work in 2025. No BS, no pipe dreams, no just start a business advice. These are real things real people are doing right now to stack extra cash from home, from their phone, or from their car. Let's start with the one you've probably heard but never actually tried. Print on demand. No, I'm not talking about becoming the next fashion mogul. I mean slapping memes on t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags using sites like Redbubble or Teespring and letting the platform handle the printing, shipping, and returns. You just upload designs. Lazy money. Side hustle number 2, digital product templates. Think Etsy, but you're not selling hand-knit dog sweaters. You're selling resume templates, budget planners, and digital journals. You make one file, upload it, and get paid over and over again. Passive income in a Google Doc. Number 3, faceless YouTube channels. Yup, this one's blowing up. You don't have to show your face. You don't even need to talk. Just use free AI tools to write scripts, generate voices, and post compilations, true crime stories, or animations. If you're consistent, YouTube pays, and pays well. Let's talk Notion templates for number 4. If you're even mildly organized, you can turn your productivity system into money. Students, remote workers, and ADHD warriors are buying these like hotcakes. Make it once, sell it forever. Digital real estate, baby. Side hustle number 5, UGC, user-generated content. You don't need a million followers. Brands just want regular-looking people to make short videos using their products. That's it. You get free stuff and a check. Gen Z and millennials are eating this one up on TikTok and Instagram. Number 6, online tutoring or homework help. No, you don't need to be a teacher. You just need to know more than a 10th grader. Sites like Studypool, Wyzen, or even Fiverr let you get paid to help with math, essays, or whatever you're good at. Smart, Charn, money. Now let's talk AI side hustles at number 7. In 2025, if you're not using AI to your advantage, you're sleeping. People are selling AI-generated children's books, website copy, or logos using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Canva AI. And they're cashing out hard. Side hustle number 8, local gig arbitrage. Here's how it works. You find people who need something done, say a lawn mowed or a dog walked. Then you don't do it yourself. You find someone else to do it cheaper and pocket the difference. Welcome to lazy capitalism. Number 9, flipping free stuff. Go on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or Nextdoor and find stuff people are giving away for free. Clean it up, take better photos, and relist it for sale. People are flipping free furniture, tech, and baby gear into hundreds a week. And finally, number 10, affiliate marketing, but the smart way. Forget shady links and weird blog posts. In 2025, smart creators are building mini TikTok accounts, Instagram pages, or newsletters that solve one tiny problem and link a product that fixes it. You don't sell, you recommend. Big difference. Big. Now you're probably thinking, okay, cool list, but which one should I do? The answer, the one that fits your lifestyle. You don't need to do all 10. You just need one that you can actually stick with for more than a week. Here's the truth. Every one of these side hustles can work, but none of them will work if you're bouncing between all of them, doing half-assed effort on each one. Pick one, go deep, and actually give it a chance to grow. Also, notice what's not on this list. No MLMs, no Forex trading courses, no weird crypto pump groups. That's not a side hustle. That's a trap. You're smarter than that. The key in 2025 is attention and automation. You either grab attention or you build systems that work while you sleep. Bonus points if you do both. Let's be real. Making money on the side isn't about replacing your 9-to-5 overnight. It's about giving yourself room to breathe, save, invest, or just stop living paycheck to paycheck. And if you're broke, good. That's when you're dangerous. Because broke people get creative. Broke people build skills out of survival. Just don't stay broke because you're stuck in research mode forever. Start ugly, start small, start now. Done. Perfect. One more thing. Every single one of these can grow into a full-time business. But you don't have to think that far ahead. Just focus on stacking your first $100, then your first 1K. Momentum is your best friend. Don't let perfection stop you from getting paid. Most of the people you admire online are winging it anyway. They just stuck with it longer than you did. So whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, part-time worker, or full-blown cubicle escape artist, 2025 is giving you tools your parents never had. Don't waste them. Side hustles aren't about being trendy. They're about being free. Let me see your comments below. Which one are you going to try first?